Hi, this is Inga here at Spirit of 76 to tell you about our new product of the week. Skadoosh is a fun new cake from Winda. The label is an eye catcher and makes everyone want to pick it up and shoot it off. This 500 gram has the big, loud breaks you would expect from a Winda 12-shot cake. What sets Skadoosh apart are the twinkling green strobe mines and brilliant gold tiger tails. Skadoosh, fun to say and even more fun to watch. Click here to see the full performance video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For this and more, visit us at 76fireworks.com.